welcome to
Tic Tac Clock.
Thank you, Rye. So we are going to learn how to play this Unit 4 workplace game. You can play by yourself, but you can also play with a partner. And what you will do is you will need the Tic Tac Clock recording sheets, which will be your virtual sheets right here. You will also need some dice, which again will be your virtual dice or die here. So the first player, and again, you'll decide fairly who is going to go first. The first player will roll the dice and find the sum of the numbers rolled. So that's to get the hour. So you will toss the dice and you will add the two numbers to decide what the hour is. And you will write that down somewhere just in case you forget. You can write it on your whiteboard. And you will also then show the hour on the clock. You can wait then until you toss the second die, and then this time you have to multiply to get the minutes. So 8 times 3 would equal 24. So that's the time you are going to have to show on your clock. So you can either use the clocks, the little clocks that we give you, or you can go to the math app and you can show then 4:24. So that'd be 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now I know my hour hand should not be directly on the 4. It should be not quite in the middle, but almost of the 4. I can decide to use my freehand moving clock, or I can use the geared clock too, because that will make the hour hand move on its own. So then you show your partner, and your partner's like, yeah, good job, you did it. Or, oh, no, you might want to check your minutes there. Once you agree that you got the time correct, I will then go and find where I can record 4:24. Because the object is to try to get 3 in a row. You can get 3 across, 3 up and down, or 3 diagonal. So 4:24, let's see if it would fit in this clock, because it has to match what the description says underneath each clock. So let's see, can I fill in this clock if I roll an hour that is even? Oh, 4 is even, so I could put it here. Or do I want to fill in this clock if I roll an hour that is odd? Oh, I can't put it there. Do I want to fill in this clock if I roll minutes that are between 15 and 30? Well, 24 does become 15. I could put it there. Do I want to fill in this clock if I roll minutes that are between 30 and 45? Oh, I can't do that because 24 is less than 30. That won't fit there. Do I want to fill in this clock if I rolled minutes that are even? Oh, 24 is an even number, so I could put it there. Do I want to fill in this clock if I rolled minutes that are odd? Oh, nope, can't put it there because 24 is not odd. Wild clock! I can fill in this anytime, so I could put it there if I want. Fill in this clock if you roll a multiple of 2 for either the hour or the minute. So if I count by 2s, will I get to 4? Or could I get to 24? Yeah, I could do either one. 2, 4. Oh, 2, 4, 6, 8. If I kept counting by 4s, I would get to 24, which means that it is a multiple of 2. So I could put it here as well. I could fill in this clock if I rolled a multiple of 5 for either the hour or the minutes. Well, neither one of these, the hour or the minutes, is a multiple of 5, because if I count by 5s, I will never land on 4 or 24, so I can't put it there. So what you will do is be the first person who gets 3 in a row, again, across, up and down, or diagonal, and you'll just use your own game boards. So you don't have to block anybody, because I know it'll be hard to share screens. If you want to try that, you can, but it will just be 3 in a row on your own game boards, whoever gets 3 in a row first. Now, if you really want to challenge yourself, you can decide to play all 9 boxes, whoever gets all the 9 boxes first. And if you're playing by yourself, you can even time yourself, like, oh, I got it in like a minute this time, or I got it in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, however you'd like to play. But the main idea here is to practice telling time and working together, and of course, having fun. Any questions? No, of course, we are here for you. Enjoy.